we are in the dashboard. So now we are going to add some functionalities for our profile in this dashboard. So let's open up our Visual Studio Code and just go to our dashboard. There it is. Okay, after the dashboard, type div okay, let's see if it gives user. Okay, yeah, we are logged in as admin. So after that we should type the div should check it's using Django HTML, should keep normal HTML. That will be very nice to use. Okay, give container busy, background should be white and should be shadow as well. Okay, shadow should be form layout. Okay, inside that should give an Acer, that give a tag. Okay, this is the dashboard for managing order, and after that we should have a list. The list's name should be track your order. Okay, copy that. Okay, this should be manage your account, and after that should give the user to log out your account. Okay, so now we should need a button. Just copy that all and paste. Okay, just keep this a tag type is ref. Should remove everything. And this should be okay. Check our order. Okay. Okay, what else can we do? Okay, let's give a class button alert. Okay, neighbor button text should be white, and then okay, and this should be the track our order. Okay, so copy this and paste here and here. Okay, so this should be manage our account, and this should be the logout. Type logout. Okay, so now we have to manage our account, that we can update the email and username, and we also have to add some functionalities to log out our account. Okay, after this section we are going to add the checkout section, and then we will set up the track of our orders. Okay, so one thing is left. If I go here, and you can see I am logged in, right? If I go in the root, our neighbor is currently just don't showing anything. We can add some functionalities in here, that if the user is logged in, then there should be a logout button in here. Okay, if the user is not logged in, then there should be a login function. Okay, go to the neighbor.html, and here after this link, okay, before this link, we should just come here and copy this if, this end if. Okay, just copy that and paste in here, and type user dot is authenticated. Okay, remove the 0, remove this, and remove this, and just add the button. Okay, this button should give this here, our slash button. We should make it work. Okay, if the user is authenticated, we should show here the logout, and if the user is else, we will show login. Okay, click save, and just come over here and refresh this. Okay, it's saying that, oh, I have mistaken something here. Should type here is, click save and refresh, and you should see the logout. Okay, so now we have to add the logout functionalities. So let's go to our views. Okay, not these views, go to our account, go to views. Yeah, we have to create that in here. So first of all, go to the URLs and copy that. Okay, we should paste over 3 times. Okay, let's paste this 3 times. One will be our login, type ALT and click your mouse, log out. Okay, this should be our logout, and should be our profile page, profile, and one thing, okay, should be our profile, and type Okay, click save and just go to our views and copy our dashboard, paste again and again. Okay, so first of all I am going to give this, okay, so this should be log out. Okay, import the logout and should be return. Okay, let me remember something. Okay, return redirect. Okay, this should be our home. Okay, we are login in the login and here should be auth dot logout. We should check if it works or not. Okay, give the request in here and click save and go to our dashboard and type here URL should be logout. Am I mistaking something in here? What is wrong? So you should put this string, it's showing error because I think it's HTML, so that's why it's giving me like this. If I save this, we have no module about views, so go to our account views and type, okay, so this should be profile and this should be profile, delete, click save and it should be good to go and we should create the templates. Okay, profile.html and file delete.html. Okay, so this is profile delete and copy that, and this is profile page. Click save and let's see if I go to our dashboard and click logout. So yeah, it's logging out and you can see the login is showing. So you have to type account and login to go in here, and if I go here you should see our login dashboard. Okay, so we should make some functionalities to update our profile. So first of all I am going to go into my forms.py and we should add a class in here, should update our profile, right? So type update one, we are going to define the init self. Okay, give self args and the covargs. Tags, and then should add the super method, get user from self init. Actually we can copy this from in here, copy that and just paste that, and this should be update from. Okay, it's an indent error, should also fix that, and then should give the self. Okay, also this, copy that first in here, and the clean email. Okay, copy that, paste over here. Okay, we have to clean our email. We also have to add this, if the user objects are valid, then we should give the from validation. Okay, we should add here exclude pk is equal to, pk means our every user profile, every profile user instance.pk, and they will come here and update their profile, right? So we have to check that if they have an ID. Okay, so yeah, this is our update form. Click save and go to our views. Okay, and we should copy this. Okay, copy that. Okay, not this, copy this, or register base, register, and just paste that in here. Okay, so we should input our update user from, copy that, and just update this and this. Then we are getting the update profile, saving them, and we should pass this into context. Okay, copy this, context is equal to this form, and the form should have, okay, pass here context. So this is it. Yeah. yeah, and we also have to delete our users, so we should copy that and let's give the delete user method. So if a user makes a post request in here, so we should insert delete and should return redirect to home. Okay, so it's done I think, but we should get the user, right? So user dot objects dot get id dot user dot id. Okay, should get the user and delete the profile. Click save and you should import the user. We have imported the user from here, you can see that. So now what is left to go to our profile page, the profile, okay, and just make, okay, just copy this entire register page, copy this register HTML and come to our profile page and paste everything. Okay, so we have the context and we are posting the method, so we need some things in here. Okay, we should remove the passwords. Okay, so there is a submit button, so we should add one button here to delete our account. Check if it can delete, so give a serif, should be URL okay, so it's going to profile delete, right? So this profile delete is based on in the URLs, not these URLs, this account URLs, profile delete. Okay, we have named there here. Click save and okay, okay, we should definitely add our profile into that. So go to our dashboard, okay, profile let's copy that. Okay, go to our dashboard and we should paste this and should here and remove this. It should be just profile. Click save, and if I just come here and refresh this, click over managing my account, so it's not going. But why? Am I mistaking something? Okay, it's not going in the profile. Why? Because there is a double string. Now it's gonna work, I think. if I click this, yeah, we are going in the profile, but it's giving the model form has no model class specification. Okay, this error is coming from models.py and the init forms. Okay, let's check this. Okay, so we should come here and just type here the create user form. Okay, this create user form. Okay, from the register page, we click save, and we should see our URL is fading away. So if you remove this register, let's go also our h1 page, auto profile, and remove the h1. We should give this here, and that will look just good. Okay, let's see if our page is working correctly. Okay, let's go to our /admin. Okay, here is our user, so we are logged in as user and this email address. So if I type here admin1, and this email address should be admin1. Okay, so there is already admin1, so I'm going to give this admin10 and admin10, and if I click submit, okay, model form has no value specification. But why is that? We should because this is showing here, because we have to go in here and we have to just give our instance request user. So type instance is equal to request dot user. Okay, if I think it will work. So if I can submit that, okay, the error is not fading away. But why it's not working? Because we haven't implemented meta, I think, in here. So let's go to our forms by, okay, here we are, and just add a meta class into this clean field. So class should be meta. Okay, model is equal to user. Okay, there is our user, and then the fields should be, we need two fields, the username and the password, username and the email, right, to update that fields. So you can add any field in here, username and email. Okay, exclude. The exclude means just we have that password, and the password will give automatically. So that's why we are writing in here password 1. Okay, so we're good to go. I think now should work. So if I refresh this and type admin 10 and okay, copy that, paste that, and give this 10 to submit, also giving me the same error. Okay guys, so I think we are making a mistake in here, the class. Okay, so this class should be in this class. Okay, so just remove the indent, tab, click save, and I think it will fade the error. So let's refresh this and give the admin 10, and this should be admin 10 as well. So if I submit, so you can see it's changed in here. So if I refresh this, you should see that the admin is became the 10. Okay, so this is how we can manage to edit our profile in this profile page. And we also have one that is our profile delete. Okay, profile delete. Let's go to profile delete. We should click over this, then we should, okay, so it's already giving this URL. Okay, we have set it up for delete and it's showing the profile delete. Okay, so just copy this. If this is our profile deleted, we should refresh this. It is still available. So why is this not done? Should go to the views and check that the profile user is going to delete this and direct we have to call this file delete. I think we have already called this, right, in this section. Okay, let's copy this. I think it's not going to work because it's inside the form. Okay, so you should definitely pass down that. Okay, go to our profile delete and paste that, and let's see if this is going to work or not. Let's click for this delete. Okay, it's not deleting, I think. Refresh. No, it's not working. It's not working because we have to add a form in here. Okay, so let's remove that. Go to our profile and just copy this form. Okay, just copy that form, copy this form and paste in here. We should remove everything, only the CRF and the submit tag. Click save, and let's see if it's work now. If I submit this, so the profile is, I think, deleted. Okay, it's deleted. Okay, so this is why we are automatically logged out. So yeah, this is pretty much it. We have we should add this login into our nav bar and this ref. Okay, type URL should be this. Okay, it's because it's in this category. Okay, copy that. That was inside this. It was just nothing, so leave it like that. Menu, and we should roll this button drop down false. Should just an a tag. Okay, this is going to just a nav link. We are passing this ref, copy that, first here, and this should be login, and this should be logout. We have messed up something that it's telling me in here, and what we have missed in. Okay, we have forgot to give. Okay, now it's right. Click save, refresh everything, and login. Okay, why is this still showing like this? Because we are inside of this scroll console. Should definitely guard this and passed outside somewhere in this quantity, in this div, before this div. Okay, so paste it in here, and we should see the result. There it is. So it's not working because it's drop down toggle not to have this button drop down toggle. Okay, click save and refresh, click logged in, and we should redirect into login page. So yeah, this is it guys. So I will see you in the next video. Bye bye, take care, and I'll see you in the next video.